tree last year.
Yeah.
You painted that.
Yeah, but I still have to wind up. So, hey, what's this? Jingle bells.
Yep. Let's tap on some music. That, I need to find the burnt out bulb again. Because there's only half of them that are working.
Come over here. Oh, look at the peacock. Come here. I want you to turn around. Do a slow turnaround. A little bit more. Guess who dressed Anna this morning?
Hey, you gave me her shirt inside out.
Batman.
You have to tie it.
I'll hang it up here. There's the hoop, and these dangle down. These are extra fragile here. Right there.